Hello, I'm Jennifer with Jennifer Decorates. This video is going to be quick and easy. I'm going to show you how you can customize some ready-made drapery panels. So stay tuned. So I have two panels actually in my entryway, and I loved it when I saw pictures on Pinterest and Instagram of these photos that it's all white, it's just white linen, and it was gorgeous. I don't know, it just didn't translate in my house very well, and I thought, oh, they just look a little too plain. So what I thought I would do is I'm gonna add some, it's called tape, but it's decorative tape. This is the tape I chose. Beautiful, it's kind of almost a charcoal gray. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add it to the outside edges. I'm gonna come in about a 1/2 inch, but I'm not gonna sew them. I'm going to glue them on. So at the fabric store, I found this. It's called Fabric Fuse, and it's supposed to be a quick bond fabric adhesive. So we're gonna give it a go and see if this works. I have my curtain down and laid on the floor and ready to go. Now, some of you might be wondering how come you just don't hot glue it on there? And you know, maybe you could and maybe it would turn out okay. I guess I'm just worried that the glue will be too thick, the hot glue will be, and it'll be kind of bumpy. Now, having said that, I'm going to start by gluing on the back where these hooks are. I'm gonna glue this first piece here, and I'm actually gonna hot glue this piece so it stays in place and it gets done quickly. Now see, that's not gonna show on the back, so I'm not worried about that. It's above the window as well. I just left that tape on there. Now all I'm gonna do is apply the glue, and I'm just gonna apply it on the outside edges. And I'm really gonna only go in, I said a 1/2 inch, but I think I'm just gonna do a 1/4. Now you could, if you wanted to, measure all the way down your curtain and mark a little line to make sure you've got it straight. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for a minute and then move on down. See, already it looks so much better. It's come alive, I love it. Now it says it's supposed to dry quickly, fairly quickly. So as I'm moving my way down, I decided to get some heavy books to just place on top, just to make sure it doesn't move as I keep going all the way down the curtain. I am tickled pink with the way this turned out. It added just the right color, just the right texture, gave it a custom look without being custom and without the price tag. So if you want to know how to figure out how much tape you need, so what you do is, how long is your drapery panel? So say it's a 96-inch drapery panel. Well, there's 36 inches in a yard. So what you'll do is you'll divide 36 into 96 and you'll get 2.66. Go ahead and bump that up to 3 so you have a little extra of the tape to go over the top and a little extra to go over the bottom. So 3 yards will do one panel at 96 inches. My total cost of this tape was $66. And you can apply it to any ready-made panel. I have some favorite places where I actually purchased linen drapery panels that are ready-to-made, ready to go. I'll put that link below. But what a great way to make your drapes look custom. Be sure to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna have some more videos out later, and I hope you guys have a fabulous day.